Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. Today I got the new sneakers here, and this is the Union Air Jordan 4 sneakers, and this is the new colorway ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link beyondshop.ru. And for this style also have black color, and this is the pink color ready to ship. So you can pick up any color you want. And here let me show you the details of this pair. So you can check out the whole side here. This is the pink thread on the shoes. And this is the net, yellow net, transparent, deadlock. This part is the blue, and this part is the pink. And underneath here you can got the tag LA, UNLA. And the bottom midsole is the yellow color. Got the air bubble. And the bottom also is the yellow color. Got the pink part, Nike shoes, and the white part. And this is the back side. And the pull tab like this, got the Nike shoes. And the inner side here, and this pair got another extra shoe. Last here is the yellow. And the inner side got the same. Really good. And about the shoe tone here, this is the shoe tone of this style. You can look on the top, got the Air Jordan there. And this is the style of this pair, shoe tone. And this part got another kind of material, and with this color. And about the shoelace is the milky white, and the inside you can look is the blue. Got the Jumpman there. And about the service of this pair also very special. This is the for Union service. Have hands there and the Union print there. Okay, so this is the Union Air Jordan 4 sneakers ready to ship. Please don't forget to contact us if you have any more question or have any order. Thanks for watching. See you next time.